So, took some Plow video. The audio was garbage, so we're going to change my mouse so at least it's easier to see. But I'm not going to do... There, pink. That should be good enough. Do a little bigger. When it was really big, it was hard to use. Anyway, so I ended up... the GoPro didn't use my external microphone that's inside the helmet, which usually makes the audio nice and the outside sounds more damped. I used the outside microphones, so all you hear is quad noise and the winch, and you can barely hear my voice at all. But what I found is because it's in stereo, one of the channels does a better job with the voice than another. So what we're going to do real quick is grab, it'll be one of these two, because I already did one for practice. So which one is the older? 24. So this one, the second one. I haven't done that one yet. It's going to open. Yeah, there we go. So I'm pulling in the video file, it's stealing the audio off of it with a plugin. This one right here, FFmpeg. And I don't, this is the first time I've used Audacity. I don't really know what I'm doing. I just experimented a little bit, watched a couple videos, and what we have are both channels. So, split. Oh, right. So last time I did this, put them both center. It probably would have done it automatically. But select everything. Well, no, we just want to select this one. Invert, select everything, tracks, mix. There, now it has one track. Okay, so that's what I did before. And then this sounded okay. Right, so first clip, if I add that as an object, audio, clip 1. Yeah, from cursor, doesn't matter where it goes because we can move it, right? So we'll bring it down into its own thing. We'll grab this guy over here, split the audio and video. So here's the old audio, stereo tracks. Here's our new audio. It thinks it's stereo, but it's just kidding. And if I start looking at it now, find a spot where I'm actually on the thing. Yeah, so it's going to play both.
So far, so good.
It's not quite perfectly lined up, so we'll just take the original audio. Well, here, tell you what, I think we can mute. Oh, this is as good as muting, right? So here's what it used to sound like.
It doesn't clog up at all. That's well. And every time I'll go out here straight, then I'll back up, angle the blade down and back, and then come back and stall.
Alright, so let's see real quick. Put the new stuff in that I edited.
Then I'll back up, angle the blade down and back, and then come back and stall. I wonder if I'm moving the choke on it too long. Yeah, this little plow's been great. We just haven't gotten a real big snowfall.
We'll piece it together like this.
It's a big crowd.
Okay, it's been a good time. There's two things I wanted to try out. One of which is actually get the plow in some relatively deep snow. We probably got 6 or 8 inches last night. The wife didn't, but that's a whole nother story. Usually I do the sidewalks first, but neighbor Dave is out doing his driveway. And there's that sinking suspicion that he'll do mine again. You can see that up to about here, it's shallower because he did mine last night. He's laid off, he's bored as shit. He's gonna do the driveway. Number 2, I got a pin lock on my helmet family, so far so good. It doesn't even clog up at all. It's 12 degrees out. You know, not Canada cold, but close enough. And every time I'll go out here straight, then I'll back up, angle the blade down and back, and then I come back and stall. I wonder if I'm moving the choke on it too long. Yeah, this little plow's been great. We just haven't gotten a real big snowfall. It's a big crowd.
Let's do 4-wheel drive. It's just the light that goes on. Yeah, so far I'm really happy with the job. Really happy. There we go. A little bit of an angle. Yeah, I was real worried that it would be too narrow. It turned out not to be the case. Try not to push a big clump out into the road because it's so big here. Should have worn my thicker gloves though. Nice thing more like this is it's not loud enough to wake neighbors up. They don't care anyway. There's no cars in the road. I'll also take a couple passes and push my back out in the middle. Hit your van. It's really hard to call. Caught it. Caught it that time. That must be it. Turn around this bullshit. Sitting on top of so much snow, I'm gonna get stuck. This has that reverse cut where once you put too much power down, Dave was over there looking at me. Right. I'll pull you out good. That's too quick. Too quick. Oh, got my shirt. Oh, I need that close. Here's your shirt. God, better go to sleep. I had some of the some of the old service guys that recognize these bad boys. Okay, might as well, right? You showed me yours, I'll show you mine. But so here's untouched spot, and this was clear yesterday, so yeah, we almost got a foot. It's not too bad. We haven't gotten
a good snow like this in southern part of Michigan in a long time, so I'd imagine there's going to be ample amounts of panic. Take it nice and easy on the way to work, because, you know, why not go out where you could die in a traffic accident in the cold just to make another couple $100?